So the next thing we want to do, 5/16 screws, and disconnect this, and then we'll be able to pop this front panel off. Okay, that's annoying. Pull this back. There's little clips that this is held onto on both sides. So the goal is to unhook this front panel from those clips. Might take a while. It's a bit of pain. Okay, and another thing. These little clips that go right here, you don't want to lose these. You won't be able to screw it back together if you do.